Greetings, my fellow techies, and welcome back to a video update on MobileX and my experience. MobileX is really good if you want to talk about data connection, network connection, and all that good stuff. MobileX is really good. All right. The biggest caveat is going to be the application, and MobileX is still in beta, so this is why for some out there who are asking, how come I can't sign up for it? They're still beta testing a lot of things because it is a different type of, different type of MVNO. They're not trying to do a one size fits all. They're trying to do a custom size for you. So the idea of MobileX being that it caters to your usage, and the less you use, the more savings you're going to save on a monthly phone bill. That's really where their focus is, and I've said this in countless video coverage of MobileX. So the downside to MobileX right now, like I said, is the application on Android, on iOS. A lot of features are still not working. They're not functional. They have their engineers working on it, trying to get this developed and fixed, get it functional to where it allows you to basically govern and control your mobile phone experience. Again, like they say, they push for the best benefits to go if you're on the pay as you use um, data services. So you're going to want to definitely utilize Wi-Fi. But if you go on what they call their fake unlimited plan, it's like, other MVNO prepaid unlimited plans, but at a much cheaper price, $25 for 30 gigs. So yeah, I mean, the services is great. I still enjoy using it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Ask your questions in the comments.